Is it on?
Mhm.
Okay. So that's it. That's it. Look. That's it. Get. Crystal. Ready? Look. That's it. Rest it. Look. There we go. Oh, come here. Rest it. Rest it. I got it. Look. Rest it.
No, that's too easy.
Okay. That's it. There. That's it. Look. Juicy treat. Ready? There. Crystal's gonna get it. Whoop. There we go. He got it. Oh no, he's too stupid to get it. Okay. There we go.
Kiki.
Oh, no, he just falls. Okay. Try to get him to walk. Oh, let's put him up here.
Oh, you're going to make him fall. I don't think that's safe. Oh, get him before he falls.
You're so dumb.
No, listen to it, poor thing.
Not going to kill you to walk with that. Is he trying to get it off without rubbing?
I think so.
You ready? Come here, kitty. Can you walk?
Come here, Russet. Kiki.
There you go.
He walked. He came to me. All right. I got to pet you for that. There you go.
Russet.
He's purring.
Come here, Russet.
Come here, Russet.
Russet.
Kitty.
Come here.
Come on.
Come here.
Come on.
Come here, kitty. Russet.
Come on.
Come here.
You know what Crystal did when I put it on her? She walked over to the piano bench and she started chewing on your chords. She said, I'll show you. I'm getting you back.
I don't eat that. What? It's a flower petal, weirdo. Come here. Russet, come here. Kitty. Come here. Russet. Come here. Come here. I'll pet you if you come here. Look, see? Pet you. Come here.
Try a treat.
Come here, kitty. Here, kitty. Kitty. Come here. Come here.
I'm broken. I can't. I've fallen and I can't get up.
Treats. Oh. Look.
Oh. Russet, are you okay?
Russet. Russet.
You know, it's amazing how putting a harness on makes their brain turn around backwards.
Russet, look.
They want to walk left and they go right.
Look. Where's he going?
I don't know. Away from the trees. I can't feel him back there.
Russet, look. Come here. Look, treat. 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 Come here. Look. Okay. Come here. Treat.
Maybe she wanted a spray bottle. Yeah.
Russet. Look. Totally lost interest now. Okay. Let's take it off of him. Come here. Come here.
Yeah, if you just unsnap it on the back, it'll come off.
Okay.
Did he do that or did you?
I did. Whoop.
Oh, were you dragging him?
He doesn't seem bothered by it. There you go.
Feel better now? Feel better, Russet?
Ready? Now let's put you up. There we go, he walks.
Now Kitty can walk. It's a miracle.